Hello viewers. Goodwill presents stock pick for month of September. We recommend buying Jubilant Foodworks Limited for a time period of 6 months for a target of 750 rupees. Jubilant Foodworks Limited, a part of Jubilant Bhartia Group Company, is a food service company. The company has exclusive rights to develop and operate Dominoes pizza brand in India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and Nepal. At present it operates in India and has signed a joint venture for operating in Bangladesh. The company also has exclusive rights for developing and operating Dunkin' Donuts restaurants for India. The company has 2 strong international brands in its portfolio: Domino's Pizza and Dunkin' Donuts, addressing different food market segments. Domino's Pizza offers a menu of quality pizza and side dishes to their customers. The Domino's Pizza brand is owned by Domino's Pizza USA and is highly respected globally. Now we will move towards fundamental analysis of Jubilant Foodworks Limited. Company is a large cap company with market capitalization of 40,257 crores. Company gives solid dividends. Dividend yield provided by company is 0.2%. The face value of a company share is currently 2 rupees. Return on capital employed of the company is 19.7%. Now, coming to the ratios part. Price to book value for the company is 20.74 times. Price to earnings ratio for the company is 87 times. Debt to equity ratio for the company is 1.08, which is considered as ideal. Returns on equity ratio is 24.94%, which is quite good. Earnings per share is 7.03 rupees. Now, we will discuss about the corporate actions taken by company. Company has good track record of giving dividends. Jubilant Foodworks Limited has declared 8 dividends since August 26, 2015. In the past 12 months, Jubilant Foodworks Limited has declared an equity dividend amounting to 1.20 rupees per share. At the current share price of 612.80 rupees, this results in a dividend yield of 0.2%. Next, we shall analyze the strength, weakness, opportunities and threats for the company using SWOT analysis. Starting with the strength, the yearly earnings per share has been significantly improved in the recent year to 6.37 rupees in the year 2022 relative to 3.51 rupees in the year 2021. The yearly net profit and margin have been improved from 0.069 in March 2021 to 0.095 in the year 2022. Domestic institutional investors like UTI, Kotak Bank and ICICI have increased their shareholding in the last quarter to 17.2%. Further, Jubilant Food is good value based on its price to earnings ratio 86.2 times compared to the peer average 127.1 times. Coming to the weakness, the debt to equity ratio has been increased from 0.9982 to 1.1279 in year 2022, indicating a negative sign. For the opportunities segment, Jubilant Food earnings have grown by 15.4% per year over the past 5 years. In addition, company earnings growth over the past year, 23.6%, exceeds its 5-year average 15.4% per year. Next, we can see that Jubilant Food is not significantly more volatile than the rest of Indian stocks over the past 3 months, typically moving plus or minus 5% a week. Last but not the least, there is a need to be cautious as the promoters are looking forward to pledging their shares, indicating that all the other options of raising funds have been closed. Let's take a look into the technical aspects of the Jubilant Foodworks Limited. In daily time frame, it has formed a wedge pattern. The pivot is giving strong support in 596. Along with that, 50 and 100 EMA follows the price below and ready to provide support in 565 price level. There was a significant confirmation in the RSI as well, along with the volume breakout in the recent days. In addition, the 4-hour time frame, which giving support in 576 to 599 level, combined with the support of S1 pivot levels along with 50 and 100 EMA following closely. while the RSI is also gradually increasing while comparing to the previous days. This indicates that the uptrend is continuing with the breakout of the wedge pattern and the potential for a 25% increase on the upside, despite the fact that the target price is for 750 when the stop-loss level is 520. The entry point has been established at 600 for this trade, with the potential for a 25% increase in the return.